So I'm stuck inside on this freezing cold, snowy New York City day. But the good news is that I am going away tomorrow, somewhere warm and sunny. So I have the whole day to get myself ready, and I'm gonna show you how I pack for vacation. You should ship all of your baby necessities like toiletries and blankets, wipes and diapers and snacks and all of the stuff that take up a ton of space in your suitcase. It'll be at the hotel waiting for you.
I'm so excited because my new packing cubes just came in from Amazon.
Love pouches to stay organized, but packing cubes are my new obsession. So I have one color for Isla, one color for me, and one color for my husband Paul, and then it keeps us all organized and saves so much space in the suitcase. Pack a ton of accessories. It's super easy and it doesn't take up that much space, but you'll have a ton of options without having to pack as many clothes. Pre-packed of all of your toiletries so that all you have to do is just grab it out of the closet and throw it in the suitcase. I like to keep mine full of trial size toiletries, doubles of my makeup. I've got tampons, face wipes, anything that I would normally use, toothpaste, toothbrush, all of that stuff, but it's just already packed in here. And then I just grab it out of the closet and throw it in the suitcase and it's done. Okay, ladies, this is the hardest one. You gotta edit shoes. I know it's really, really difficult, but take it from me, you're not gonna wear all of them and it's gonna save you so much space.